Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka Iwei Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ke jingsio ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ke education loan, pila ruban syukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Ka Dr. Mizal Ampirin Lingdo, kabalong ka menteri jong ka Sorkar jala, hakakat santri ku jomang arjar apulai. Kalau ong bawa Watla ke NPP kalaman ke jing syarem, haka election ke berang sudah longshan, hasoyong constituency. Handaikum ke parti ke Ïasynrop, baga UDP kabalong ke sengsan pertai, ke baya terelang hapo ke Sorkar MDA kalayo ke jing job. Haka jing akrem bikilat pertai kubur. Ka Dr. Ampirin Lingdo kalau ong, bakum ke parti ke kitbok kitruang, yau MLA bertamai jong hasoyong constituency. Ubah sinsyar kupar lingdo thaba ba unlang la menteri khamba haki kisan senam kiban sawan na benta ka bet ka biang jong ki paj ba ka soyong constituency
kam lele ka election ka de ka election dan se manu bala ban ong ba la job bet e no bi no si compare ka ta ka jing yo e ka jong e ba ki we ki parties le claim don contest show na dai betang kini ki artli ki parties baro ki artli ki parties ki don rengkat pat ke Sorkar walangi remru Sngewtynnat pat ba job Iwei na ki coalition partners man penkanya kini ke Sorkar tingim don kam ban pet negatively ya kata election is election ni kit bok kit riang ya candidate ba thmai jo ka soyong constituency ba in nang la ban tre shito hakini ki sansnem ki bawan tam lele na marba ira ya kata ka burom jong nong yalam barim jong ki ubala krat sendet tang shwa ka sngi thepbot ba HDR lingdo ba in bam kwai warne ka election ka yan election ka khana election ka yat high election hang nekin pin sa yu ya kata ka jing long machot ka jing la ka jing shy ka jing khat jong kinong ile kanu ka party ha piele kanu ka election pitip pa pidon ka chance ban job pin crowd pin san ba yala ka jong ka party ha rei kumangi ki bedon lang ha ka ni ka Sorkar bat ha ka party ngisngau ba ni de ban pentem no ya ka ni ka jing ya kan at apa ding joki bat kam de ban long kumta ni de ka Sorkar ka ban hap ban ai ya ka shakri ya upat ba ha kisan snem ki ban wan bat nginum la man le ka ta la dangim yutli bat la dangim ya la man ya trilang nakabenta jong upat ba kam judan kum kata kadau ka jing ya le PUE barok ki be ki party selasa stang anda 100 mah yo tang sis ba botru tang ba hab job menur manu habrem menur manu tinga tarai ka tu ka jingkan mau i yuru ya i jing klat no jong i MLA barem joki tarai ka de ko weina kita ki factors ngim chimpoy perkat pakatakan lo kota tamaku mangiu i ya ka result kani ka sudden upsurge of 2,000 plus votes kani ke try ka yat ka taru to a large extent and ka incumbent factor kung mga yu mga ka vote share ang te kalong very keen vote share po so yung te we leave it at that and niya chakmat but ni siya may kata ka responsibility ban ay ka Sorkar ka baklan yo pat ba jong ka jalawe ejuga. There was a keen contest between the leading partner in the MDA and a very strong partner as well in the FDA, the UDP and the NPP. There was a very keen contest, and now elections are over. So we are going to be moving ahead. There has been no negative or adversary feelings or sharing of experiences between anyone, because we now have shown our ability to look at elections as a field, job, and actually running the government as a completely different assignment. So we've segregated these two assignments. We are now looking at going ahead in this coalition partnership, and we hope that very shortly we will also be able to sit across the table to discuss our common minimum program, because this election was the deferred election. We had to wait for it to complete. I do not anticipate that there should be any complications in this government henceforth. This election took place very shortly after the general election. So there was just a period of about 1.5 months in between. So question of the ruling dispensation winning the seat does not arise. Anyways, a coalition partner in the ruling dispensation has won the seat. So it's okay.